Hi, my name is Sarah Berry from stampwithsarah.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your clear mount stamp sets into the brand new cling stamp set variety that Stampin Up will be stocking from January 2019 in certain new designs. So I've chosen the Beautiful You stamp set and I'm going to take the Happy Birthday Gorgeous. Now this is my clear mount stamp set, and you can see that once upon a time I did have the sticker on this stamp because it's actually come away from the sticker sheet. The rest of them I haven't actually used. So I'm going to place this this sticker back onto this stamp like that. Now this will not really stick that well. It is on there, but it's not as secure as I would like it to be, and Stampin' Up have acknowledged that this needs improving. So they have been designing a brand new range of stamps which is called Cling, and this is, well, on first glance looks exactly the same. We have the red rubber and then the foam on the back with the labels. And yes, that part is exactly the same. The only thing that's changed is this new sticker sheet. Stampin' Up have been developing this sticker sheet, and now this is super strong. So I have one that I've already done, which is this one. And if I just pick it up with my finger, you can see how incredibly strong that is. It's lovely and sticky and tacky. It doesn't leave any residue on your fingers or on your blocks. It is pretty much like magic. So if I just take this one off, pop it on the block, you'll see that it's really strong. So the difference here is that instead of pulling your stamp off like this, you want to go to the side and peel off. Otherwise you may damage the foam layer. So I'm going to show you how to convert this stamp into the cling. And first off, you need to make sure you have the sticker on. And to do that, you need to split the sticker down the middle. There is a cut line. Peel each piece off. Stick your stamp directly over the top. And make sure you do remove this paper layer. Then you'll end up with something that looks like this. Now, to convert this, you need to take your sticker sheet from any cling stamp set. I recommend that you put these stickers onto your stamp set, because what we'll be doing is cutting into this sheet. And once all of these stickers are off, the rest of this sheet is waste. And normally I would throw this away, but don't. This is like gold dust. So you can see there is lines in between all of these words. All of this is this brand new cling sticky sticker sheet. So to make sure I don't cut into any of my stamps, my stickers, I'm just going to go around this very carefully. But I would recommend that you just stick them first, okay? Now, this is the side that you need to use first, okay? Because these are the ones with the splits, and this is the paper. You can see it's slightly different. One side is glossy, one side is a bit more matte, a bit creamier, all right? You want to turn your stamp over, and this will just about fit in here. I'm not worried that it's not completely covering the stamp. Some of them I will be just putting strips down the larger stamps like this. I will just be putting a strip maybe across the umbrella and down on the body, because I'm not going to have that much waste on something like this. So I'm going to use the strips for that when the time comes. So line up your stamp And this is where you use your pencil. And you want to get down and close to this. I'm not very close, but you just want to follow the line roughly, because only a tiny bit of this really does do the job. And I recommend that you have a case like this to store any scrap pieces of this super sticky sheet, okay? And then you've always got them to hand. Take your scissors, and then you've got that rough line to follow. Really rough. You can spend a bit more time doing this, but it doesn't need to be very precise. Always remember which way you're doing it. And this is the hardest piece, hardest thing you have to do, which is just getting your fingernail under that top layer of paper and peeling it off. Making sure that the see-through layer doesn't come away with it. Like that, okay? So this is now sticky and this is just paper, so throw that bit away. Oop. With your pokey tool, your pricking tool, just hold that in place. Stick your stamp down. Remove the pricking tool. Turn your stamp over. You can see it wasn't quite lined up because I didn't quite have enough sticker, but it's okay, it will be fine. Then you just peel that last sticker sheet off, that backing here, and then you'll find it's converted into a cling stamp set. How incredible is that? So please remember that you don't want to cut into your new cling labels. All we're doing is taking the excess. This printed bit will be, you might want to avoid because it will show on here. We only really want the areas that are completely free of any graphics. But remember, don't cut into these. And now I'll just quickly show you that it will cling to your blocks, just like this brand new cling stamp. It's completely converted into the the cling. You might want to keep a little note inside your case to see which ones you've done. But as you can see, it really does work. Especially with the Stamparatus 2. You can just pop your card down. I've got 2 pieces. Put your card down, line it up, stick your magnet on, and we want it there. Whoops, that's how sticky it is. Pick it up, ink, and stamp. Brilliant. I can't tell you how excited I am about these cling stamp sets coming out. The spring, summer, or the seasonal catalogue, as some of us refer to it as. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. You can find me at stampwithsarah.co.uk and I will be happy to take your questions there. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.